Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. This is your mathematics teacher, Sanam Sanaullah, once again with you. Children, we are going to learn about today another interesting chapter. And this is your chapter number 3, multiplication and division. You are already aware about this chapter, multiplication and division. Now let us see the topics of today's lecture. Multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. We know that children, 5 ones are 5. It means 5 one time makes 5. 5 tens are 50. It means 5 10 times make 50. 5 hundreds are 500. It means 500 times make 500. Now look at here. 21 ones are 21. It means 21 1 times make 21. 21 tens are 210, which means 21 10 times make 210. Now 21 hundreds are 2100. Now 643 ones are 643. It means 643 one time makes 643. 643 10 times, which is equals to 6430. 643 hundreds are 64,300. It means 643 100 times make 64,300. Now look at this. Similarly, when we multiply 5 by 1000, it makes 5,000. Now look at here. 5 multiplied by 10,000. It means 5 10,000 times make 50,000. We find that to multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, we multiply the number by 1, 2, 5, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, any number. And we move the numbers to the left in column and fill in zeros. Children, let us take some examples. Example A is 6 multiplied by 10. It means 6 10 times. You know that repetition of addition is called multiplication. यानी एडिशन का बार बार रिपीट होना जो है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन कहलाता है. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे 6 जो है वो 10 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है, यानी 6 10 टाइम्स प्लस हो रहा है. जब हम 6 को 10 टाइम्स प्लस करते हैं वी गेट द आंसर 60. 6 टाइम्स मेक 60. इसी तरीके से आप एग्जाम्पल नंबर सी देखिए. 417 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. इट्स मीन 417 100 टाइम्स. 100 टाइम्स प्लस होगा एंड वी गेट द आंसर 417 hundreds. Okay, and 417 hundreds make 41,700. Children, look at this example. Example number A is 7 multiplied by 1000. It's mean 7 1000 times. You know that repeating of addition is called multiplication. यानी एडिशन के बार बार रिपीट होने से मल्टीप्लिकेशन बनता है. जैसे कि 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 का मतलब है कि 7 को जब हम 1000 टाइम प्लस करेंगे तो वी गेट द आंसर 7000. तो 7000 से बनता है 7000. ओके, एंड योर आंसर इज 7000. जब हम 7 को 1000 टाइम्स रिपीट करेंगे तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 7000. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल नंबर C. 368 multiplied by 10,000. It's mean 368 repeating in 10,000 times. तो 368 को जब हम 10,000 टाइम प्लस करेंगे we get 368 10,000s. और 368 10,000s का मतलब होता है 36,80,000. Understand? 36,80,000. And don't remember that कॉमास लगाना ज़रूरी है. ओके, तो हमने जब 7,000 लिखा तो 7 के बाद कॉमा लगा के 3 zeros लिखे एग्जाम्पल नंबर A में, और इसी तरीके से C में 36 लाख के बाद कॉमा लगाया, फिर 1000 के बाद कॉमा लगाने के बाद हमने 80,000 पे कॉमा लगाने के बाद हमने 3000 के 3 zeros रखे. Multiplication by multiples of 10. Example number 1 is multiply 25 by 20. It's mean 25 times 20. Add 20 25 times. In other hand, 25 multiplied by 20 means 25 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. It's mean 25 multiplied by 2 times 10. How many tens are in 20? There are 2 tens. So we open it. 2 multiplied by 10. हमने 20 को ओपन कर दिया है, खोल दिया है. 25 तो मौजूद है. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 का मतलब है कि 20 के अंदर कितने टेंस मौजूद हैं? 2 टेंस मौजूद हैं. ओके, तो हम इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लेकर आ गए हैं. 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 टेंस. 20 मीन्स 2 टेंस. हमने इसको ओपन कर दिया. When we multiply 3 numbers, जब हम 3 numbers को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं, so we first multiply 25 times 2. तो हम सबसे पहले 25 times 2 को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यानी जो 25 2 टाइम्स आ रहा है उसके साथ हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 एंड वी गेट 50. जब हम 25 के साथ 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें आंसर मिलेगा 50. अब 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, जब हम, जाहिर सी बात है 25 2 ज़ा 50 आ जाएगा. अब 50 और आपके पास रह गया है 10. अब आप 50 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10 के साथ तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 500. ओके, एंड 500 इज़ योर आंसर. Children, look at another example. It is 25 multiplied by 600. 25 multiplied by 600 means 25 times 600. First we add 6 in 100 times. So 25 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 100. When we multiply 25 times 6, we get 150. Now 150 multiply by 100 and you get the answer 15,000. Multiplicand. Multiplicand means the number or quantity being multiplied. मल्टीप्लिकेंट का मतलब है वो नंबर या तादाद जो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा होता है. मल्टीप्लायर. मल्टीप्लायर मीन्स द नंबर विच मल्टीप्लाई. यानी मल्टीप्लायर का मतलब है वो नंबर जिससे हम मल्टीप्लिकेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। प्रोडक्ट। प्रोडक्ट मीन्स द नंबर और क्वांटिटी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन। यानी प्रोडक्ट का मतलब है वो नंबर या तादाद जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद हमें रिज़ल्ट के तौर पर हासिल होता है। यानी जब आप मल्टीप्लिकेंट्स को मल्टीप्लायर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसके बाद जो हमें आंसर हासिल होता है उसको प्रोडक्ट कहा जाता है। तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के आंसर को कहते हैं प्रोडक्ट। मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 2 डिजिट नंबर्स। First of all, we arrange these numbers in place values, units, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6329 is called multiplicand. Multiply by 85. 85 is called multiplier. Now multiply 5 by 6329. Step number 1 is 5 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 45. Write to 5 in unit column, carry over 4 in tens column. Step number 2 is 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10. Add by 4, which is equal to 14. Write to 4 in tens column and carry over 1 in hundreds column. Step number 3, 5 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 15. 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. Write to 6 in hundreds column and carry over 1 in thousands column. Now step number 4. 5 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 30. 30 plus 1, which is equal to 31. Now as per rule of multiplication by 2-digit numbers, when we multiply the multiplicand with the second digit, first we write the 0 in second step in the unit place. जब भी हम 2-digit numbers के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेंड को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेकंड स्टेप में यूनिट की जगह पर 0 या क्रॉस लगाते हैं। तो याद रखिएगा चिल्ड्रन कि हमेशा जब हम 2-digit नंबर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं तो उसके सेकंड स्टेप में जब हम सेकंड डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं तो यूनिट की जगह पर 0 लिखते हैं। नाउ द सेकंड डिजिट इज 8, सो 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6329. नाउ 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9. 8 9s are 72. Write to 2 in tens place and carry over 7 in tens column. Now 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7, which is equal to 23. Write to 3 in hundreds column and carry over 2 in hundreds column. Now 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2, write to 6 and carry over 2 in thousands column. Now 8 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 48. 48 plus 2, which is equal to 50. Now what will we do? We add these numbers. How can I add these? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6, 6 plus 3 which is equal to 9, 1 plus 6 which is equal to 7, 3 plus 0 which is equal to 3, 5. अब 5 के पास कोई नंबर मौजूद नहीं है प्लस करने के लिए तो हम इसको एज इट इज़ ही उतारेंगे। सो योर आंसर इज़ 5,37,965. In multiplication, the answer is called product. मल्टीप्लिकेशन के अंदर आंसर को कहा जाता है प्रोडक्ट। तो आपका प्रोडक्ट है 5,37,965. Children, look at the sum. It is also a sum of multiplication by two-digit numbers. As you know, first we arrange these numbers in place value, units, tens, hundreds. Here is the multiplicand is 700 and the multiplier is 76. So 700 multiplied by 76. Now look at the first digit. First digit is 6. 6 multiplied by, first we multiply 6 by 700. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 sevens are 42. Now we multiply 7 digit by 700. As per rule, जब हम सेकेंड डिजिट से मल्टीप्लिकेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेकेंड स्टेप में हम यूनिट की जगह पर ज़ीरो लिखते हैं. बच्चों, ये बात बहुत अच्छे तरीके से याद रखिएगा. जब हम सेकेंड डिजिट से मल्टीप्लिकेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सेकेंड स्टेप में हम यूनिट की जगह पर क्या लिखते हैं? ज़ीरो. ज़ीरो या क्रॉस लगाते हैं और टेंस कॉलम से वर्क को स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो योर सेकेंड डिजिट इज़ 7. तो यूनिट कॉलम में हम लिखेंगे सेकेंड स्टेप में ज़ीरो और टेंस कॉलम से हम वर्क स्टार्ट करेंगे. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0 and 7 sevens are 49. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम ऐड करेंगे. थर्ड स्टेप में अब हम इन नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे. 0 plus 0 which makes 0, 0 plus 0 which makes 0, 2 plus 0 which make 2, 4 plus 9 which is equal to 13. 3 लिखेंगे और हम 1 कैरी करेंगे 4 के ऊपर and 1 plus 4 which is equal to 5 and your answer is 53,200 and 53,200 is called product. प्रोडक्ट किसे कहते हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन के आंसर को कहते हैं प्रोडक्ट. 53,200 is called product. Your answer. Multiplication by three-digit numbers. First, arrange these numbers in place values. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4,239 is called multiplicand. Multiply by 276, which is called multiplier. Now, look at the unit column. Here is number 6. 6 multiplied by 4,239. Step number 1 is 6 multiplied by 9. 6 nines are 54. Write to 4 in unit column and carry over 5 in tens column. Step number 2. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 5 which is equal to 23. Write to 3 in tens column and carry over 2 in hundreds column. Now step number 3. 6 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 14. Write to 4 in hundreds column and carry over 1 in thousands column. Now 6 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 24 plus 1 which is equal to 25. Now next step is 4,239 multiplied by 7. As per rule, write a 0 in unit place and then start your next step. 7 multiplied by 9 which is equal to 63. Write to 3 in tens column and carry over 6 in tens column. Now 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6, which is equal to 27. Write 7 in hundreds column and carry 2 in hundreds column. Now 7 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 14. 14 plus 2, which is equal to 16. Write 6 and carry over 1 in thousand column. 7 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 28 plus 1, which is equal to 29. Now third step of multiplication by 3-digit numbers. As per rule, in third step, when we multiply 3 digits, which is 2 multiplied by 4239, we write zeros in unit and tens column first. तो याद रखिएगा बच्चों, जब थर्ड स्टेप में जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं थर्ड डिजिट को, तो हम यूनिट और टेंस कॉलम में ज़ीरोज़ लगा देते हैं. यूनिट कॉलम में भी ज़ीरो लिखेंगे और टेंस कॉलम में भी ज़ीरो लिखेंगे और हंड्रेड कॉलम से अपना काम स्टार्ट करेंगे. So write to 0 in unit column and then tens column, and now the third digit is number 2. 2 multiplied by 9. 2 nines are 18. Write to 8 in hundreds column and carry over 1 in tens column. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, which make 7. Write to 7, and now 2 multiplied by 2. 2 twos are 4. Write to 4 in thousand column. Okay, now add these numbers. 4 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 4. 3 plus 3, which is make 6. 4 plus 7 plus 8, which make 19. Carry over 1 in thousand column. Okay, now 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, which is again 19. Carry over 1. Now 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4 is equals to 16. Carry over 1. Again 1 plus 2 plus 8, which is equals to 11, and the product is 11,69,964. Word problems, exercise number 3.10. Solve these problems. Problem number 1 is, in a school there are 13 classes. If there are 49 children in each class, how many children are there in the school? यानी एक स्कूल में 13 क्लासेस हैं जिनमें हर क्लास में 49 चिल्ड्रन पढ़ते हैं. बताइए टोटल पूरे स्कूल में कितने बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. Solution. Classes in a school are 13. If there are 49 children, so 13 multiplied by 49. First we multiply 9 by 13. 9 threes are 27. We write to 7 in unit column and carry over 2 in tens column. 9 ones are 9. Add by 2, which make 11. Second digit is 4. Now 4 multiplied by 13. First we write 0 as per rule in unit column. Now 4 multiplied by 3. 4 threes are 12. We write to 2 in tens column and carry 1 in tens column. So 4 ones are 4, add by 1 which make 5. Now add these numbers. 7 plus 0 which is 7. 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. 1 plus 5 which is equal to 6. There are 637 children in the school. यानी टोटल 637 children स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. Word problems. Exercise number 3.10 again. Problem number 4 is a man earns rupees 1970 rupees every month. How much does he earn in a year? यानी एक आदमी 1970 रुपीस हर महीने कमाता है. बताइए पूरे साल में वो कितना कमाता है. सॉल्यूशन ये है 1 year is equals to 12 months. आपको पता है कि एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं, पहले हम ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो 1 year is equals to 12 months यानी 1 year में 12 months होते हैं. A man earns every month rupees 1970. 1 year is equals to 12 months. First we multiply 2 by 1970. So 2 zeros are 0. 2 sevens are 14. We write to 4 in tens column and carry over 1 in hundreds column. 2 nines are 18 plus 1 which make 19. We write to 9 in hundreds column and carry over 1 in thousand column. Now 2 ones are 2 plus 1 which make 3. Now the second digit is 1. First we write 0 in unit column, then we start our work. 1 zeros are 0, 1 sevens are 7, 1 nines are 9 and 1 ones are 1. Now add these numbers. 0 plus 0 makes 0, 4 plus 0 make 4, 9 plus 7 which make 16. We write to 6 and carry over 1 in thousands place. Now 1 plus 3 plus 9 which make 13. We write to 3 and carry over 1 in 10,000 place. Now 1 plus 1 make 2. So your answer is 23,640. He earned in a year rupees 23,640. Now it is the time for home assignment. Home assignment number 7. Exercise number 3.1. Page number 15. Question A. Do 1 to 4 in your copies. Question A is multiply these placing the commas correctly. Question number 1 is 3 multiplied by 10. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 3 tens is equal to 30. Exercise 3.1. Page number 15. Question B. Do 1 to 4 in your copies. B is multiply these placing the commas correctly. And your question is number 2. Question number 2. 820 multiply by 100. 820 multiplied by 100 equal to 820 hundreds equal to 82,000. Home assignment number 7. Exercise number 3.1. Page number 15. Question C. Do 1 to 4 in your copies. Question C is multiply these placing the commas correctly. Question number 3 is 655 multiplied by 10,000. 655 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 655 10 thousands is equal to 65 lakh 50,000. 65 lakh 50,000. Home assignment number 7. Exercise number 3.2, page number 17. Multiply. Question number 1 to 4. Do in your copies. Question number 1 is 785 multiplied by 7 and the product is 5,495. Exercise number 3.3, page number 18. Multiply. Question number 1 to 4 in your copies. Question number 4 is 831 multiplied by 406 and the product is 3,37,386. Home assignment number 7, word problems. Page number 26. Problems number 1, 3, 4, 8. Do in your copies. Problem number 2 is a baker bakes 125 loaves of bread a day. How many loaves of bread does he bake in 28 days? Solution: a baker bakes loaves of bread 125 loaves of bread does he bake in 28 days? It is 3,500. Answer is 3,500 loaves of bread does he bake in 28 days. Review of today's lecture. We learned and understand multiplication by 10 and its multiples. Multiplication by multiples of 10. Multiplication by 1 and 2 digit numbers. Multiplication by 3 digit numbers. Word problems of multiplication. Thanks for watching video, children. Bye bye. Take care.